Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and the fact that Bitcoin went down 5% in 60 minutes yesterday on account of a couple different things. One, over $200 million worth of crypto was liquidated by greedy leveraged positions in the crypto market. That's why we tell you guys to be careful with leverage trading. Certainly a great tool, but very dangerous, causing big moves in the market. The other piece is, of course, the Silvergate bank scandal and possible bankruptcy for this crypto-friendly bank, as some exchanges are shying away from this bank. Markets are getting tentative. Let's take a peek here at this chart. So if you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So these crypto markets, guys, are down to 1.02 trillion. Quite a bit of money flew out of the crypto markets over the last 24 hours. And over the last 24 hours, you see most of these cryptos are very, very red. Over the last 7 days, still a couple that are green, but most every coin is down, especially some of these top coins, right? You got Bitcoin down 4%, Ethereum down almost 3% over the last 7 days. Over the last day, it's 5% losses for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, why, you might be asking, are these going down? And why would Bitcoin slide 5% in 60 minutes? Well, guys, it is because of the Silvergate bank scandal. That is one reason. I mean, Silvergate really has been struggling ever since the FTX collapse, and it does look like they are increasingly likely to become a bankrupt crypto bank as time is going on. There's a crypto bank run happening on a crypto bank, which is very, very interesting. Usually you heard people talking about exchanges instead, but the exchanges are doing fine. The exchange tokens are doing fine. Silvergate Bank stock is doing terrible, however, and crypto exchanges are shying away from using this firm for their banking. In fact, they're moving to other banks in an entirety to protect themselves, which is good to see for the exchanges. Not so great to see for Silvergate. So yes, Bitcoin moved very, very sharply downward, but it's not only because of that bank, guys. You got to note, there are $217 million worth of longs that were liquidated yesterday, which is absolutely tremendous amount of money. And these are the kind of things that drive Bitcoin down. One thing to note is that back in February 8th, there was $254 million worth of longs liquidated. And so what I'm saying is, just because a lot of longs were liquidated doesn't mean we're inevitably going to crash down and the bear market's coming back or anything like that. That doesn't mean that at all. In fact, because after the $250 million liquidations in February, we went back up to $25,000 Bitcoin. So, keep your head, guys, on a swivel, of course, but, let's look at some data and kind of zoom out and really think about this. You look back at January 13th, there was a huge short position that was liquidated. Almost $500 million worth of money was liquidated on shorts in January, which just drove us up away from $15,000 and up into the $20,000 range and moving towards $25K. But fortunately, this was not a $500 million long squeeze. This was 217. I think we're going to no problem recover from this. In fact, these moments can set us up for big rallies. Case in point is back on January 17th. This move right here, this was a $190 million long squeeze, which brought us down. And then immediately after, we had a nice, healthy rally up. So guys, these are things to consider, things to take a peek at. Ignore the FUD too. Ignore the fake news, guys. Somebody said that CZ was shot by the FBI. This was a lie. He's tweeting about that today. And don't forget, guys, to ignore the FUD, fake news, and attacks. Now, Silvergate is not fake news, and the fact that there was long liquidations is not fake news. But you can spread FUD and just stoke the fears and the flames of fears in the markets by panicking in moments like these. And so, guys, it's all about education, compliance, product, and service. Great tweet by CZ. It's going to stay true. I love that this is like his theme for 2023 because we're moving into a bull market. And as we continue to do that, there will be doubters that continue to come out of the woodworks and start talking about, fake news and fearful things, right? Yes, this is a big downward move, but as you can see here, these are lines we've had drawn for a while. Unless we break below this red line, I'm not expecting more downward motion. I don't expect us to get down to 19,000 again here unless we break below this 21,500, 21,300 level. So we'll have to keep an eye on that, guys. Might be a great opportunity to open up a long. That being said, a lot of greedy longs just got liquidated. So trade careful, guys. Trades very carefully if you're using leverage. If you do want to use it, we have links in the description down below. Check those out. We are also got to remind you guys, this is something to consider. We may have more downside. Why? Because we want to see crypto bounce off this $1 trillion threshold. If we can bounce off this $1 trillion mark one more time, that could prove to be bullish. This is a very, very key resistance. You look historically, the $1 trillion mark for crypto is very, very important. Back in January of 2021, it was key. Again, back in January of 2018, we tried to get there. And now, today, we are bouncing off of that again. So we'll keep an eye on that, guys. Don't forget, we are giving away a loaded line when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Just follow us at _crypto report on Twitter for the details to this giveaway. And if you're a member on our channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you're a member towards this loaded line giveaway. Check out the channel, guys. You can join right here or in the link in the description down below. When you do join as a member, you get a private, you get access to our private Discord to talk directly with Black C and I, and you get these loyalty badges next to your name in the comment section, and these custom emojis on our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, guys. That's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, folks, to DCA HODL. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.